Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a very nostalgic one for me because throughout my childhood I remember my mom making Sakkare Acchu without fail for every Sankranti. She used to find a time when all of us were sleeping to make it, else we would just eat it all up. So this is my first attempt to keep this festive food tradition alive, which hopefully will help our generation remember it or just even give it a try. For this you will need pre-soaked molds, cheesecloth and sugar soaked in just enough water. The first step in this process is to dissolve the sugar. Then bring this mixture to a boil over a medium flame. Once it starts boiling, add 1/4 cup of milk and keep stirring it until you see dirt accumulate on top. This might take anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes. All this still needs to be done on a medium flame. At this point, you will see the dirt starting to float on top of the sugar mixture. Now, with the help of a sieve and a cheesecloth, strain the liquid into a bowl. This separates the dirt from the liquid. Also, this step ensures that the sugar is purified. Now take the strained liquid and boil the mixture again. Add a tablespoon of yogurt. Slowly you will see dirt beginning to accumulate again on the surface of the liquid mixture. This is the second step in the purification process. Again, with the help of a sieve and cheesecloth, strain the purified sugar mixture. Now on to the actual process of making it. Divide the strained liquid into equal parts. Since I soaked 1 cup of sugar, I will be using only half a cup of sugar mixture. Add a few drops of lemon juice into this mixture. At this point, you can also choose to add food color, else just keep the plain sugar mixture to get white sugar molds. Keep stirring the liquid so as to ensure that there are no air bubbles formed. This can be done by taking the pan off the flame and then stirring it continuously. The process of solidifying the sugar mixture so as to ensure that it fits into those molds and takes the shape of the mold takes anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. So the process of stirring the liquid so as to ensure that there are no air bubbles should be repeated for a good 8 to 10 times before a thick mixture is ready to be poured into the molds. A foolproof way of checking to see if the mixture is ready is by dropping it into water and ensuring it stays in a solid form and not have a runny consistency. Before pouring them into the molds, make sure that the molds are ready by wiping off the excess water and tightly securing them with rubber bands. Once the consistency is achieved, pour the mixture into the molds. You can also add a few drops of color if you wish to. As you see, I've used a little turmeric to get the yellow tinge for my second batch. Enjoy these yummy savories. I hope this video inspired you to make some. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.